Welcome back. This video covers the feature of at-risk students, which allows you to identify students that you should target based on low attendance or grades that are not meeting the standards. To access this, you go to the top blue row, and it's the diamond-shaped icon with the exclamation mark. So once you tap that, there's two parts of this, the attendance and the grade section. The attendance grade you'll see at the top is, there's criteria there for identifying students at risk. So right now you can set the total absences, which is set at 2 right now. You can tap that and change that to 1, 2, or 3. And then the symbols that count as absences, in this case, I have selected the unexcused absence. And then also, if you use tardy symbols, you can equate the tardies to absences. So right now it's set for 1 absence, tardies equal to 1 absence, 2. That means that 2 tardies are equal to 1 absence. And then you can select the tardy symbols. Below that, you will see the list of classes and students that have been identified. So you can see in class 1, Anna and Brian have both been identified. Anna has 2 absences, 2 tardies, and Brian 3 absences, 1 tardy. You can also tap the view by class and show the view by advisor if you assign advisors to students. And again, this makes it very easy, so each advisor can see which of their students have been targeted as being at-risk students. You can easily generate a PDF file by tapping on the top right and say View Report. And if you haven't entered the advisor email addresses, you can select Email Report, and easily it'll pre-fill your email with the advisor's email, so you can send the report off to the advisors very easily. If you tap on Grades, this will be the students that are at risk due to grades. You can see it's still selected by advisor. You can assign a criteria based on missing assignments. Here it's set for 2. I can change it to 1, and you'll see the list gets higher because more students are now meet the criteria. And you can choose the symbols for what you want to include, up to 2 symbols for missing assignments. And you can also set a grade percent level 2. So right now it's set for 70%, and you have a range ranging from 75 to 50% to identify students at risk. You can also tap View by Advisor and change back to View by Class. And you can also tap the PDF button there and send a report off to the advisors or to any administrators. So very easily you can have a quick overview of all your classes and which students have been identified at risk, so you can meet with them or target any other interventions that your school or you as a teacher does. I hope you find this useful and enjoy the rest of the videos.